Hi, for this song we'll be playing He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. We'll play this one with two chords, the F chord and the C7 chord. For the F chord, first finger, first fret of the E string, which is the F note, and second finger, second fret of the G string, which is the A note. Should sound good. Remember to keep your hand rounded. Fingertips are what's pressing in. Thumb is on the back to be able to squeeze against the chords or the notes. Now we'll be switching between the F and the C7. C7 is first finger, first fret, the A string, which is also A sharp or B flat. You'll be shifting between the F to the C7. Try and make as small of movements as you can. So F, C7, notice I'm keeping my other finger still hovering so it's ready to go right back to the F. So you kind of switch back and forth like this. I'd like you to listen for where the chord changes happen. They mostly happen whenever we sing the word whole for whole world. So give it a try. If you don't get it the first time, we'll be playing it through a second time. All right, here we go. So let's do some quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, and your first singing note will be C, which is the open C string. It's G string and then C string. He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 Great, now let's play it with eighth notes, so we'll go up and down a little faster, and let's sing We've Got the Whole World in Our Hands. So again, we're playing the F, and then we'll switch to C7 and back to F, but try and make actually as minimal of movements as you can. Okay, and this arm hopefully holds your ukulele a little bit as you're doing the shifts. All right, here we go. So I always do at least counting for one measure in. This song you start singing in the middle of a measure. So I'll do a full measure of counting and then a half measure and then I'll start singing. We've got the whole. We. Always like to play the melody note and put it in my head. Hear it, think it, and then try and sing it. It's a little low for me, but hopefully it'll work out okay. Otherwise, my other option is the high C. Probably been a little bit high, so I'll stick with the we. All right, here we go. So let's do up and down. I do a little bit of a swing instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I kind of give a little bit of swing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hopefully that feels comfortable for you. You can use your thumb or your finger. So let's do that again for a measure and then count it in and sing it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we've got the whole world in our hands. We've got the whole wide world in our hands. Got the whole world in our hands. We've got the whole world in our hands. Great, thanks for joining me. Go ahead and listen to this video again if you need to, and if not, please meet me for the next song. Have a good one.